Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Today's video is about directions, and I'll draw the directions like this. You remember directions? This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. So we shall give the directions different names according to the Luo language. So the north is called Masawa. Masawa. And then east is Ugwe. Ugwe. South is Milambo. Milambo. Here. And then west is Imbo. Imbo. Now some people say Imbo like this. I don't know which one is correct. Imbo. The pronunciation is Imbo. Both of them. So Masawa, Ugwe, Milambo, Imbo. So let's form a few sentences. So let me say I'm asking someone, what's the direction from your house? Obet nade di odi. So that's how is the direction from your house. And now the person would say it's on the north. And Masawa ka ichung e doda. So it's north when you're standing at my door. And Masawa ka ichung e doda. That's in a sentence. Or en ugwe ka ingie gidirisana. Obet na de giodi. Bet na de giodi. Say, what do you say? En ugwe ka ingie pod, not gi. Ka ingie Cod dirisa. Kaingie cod dirisa na. When you're looking from my window, it is in the east. Now, the other name for east is Kor Wok Chien. Kor Wok Chien. Kor Wok. The K Wok Chien. That's an east. Kor Wok Chien. That's a name for east. That means the side where the sun rises from. Chien is the sun. Remember, Chien is the sun. Remember the sun? That is Chien. So the side where the sun is rising from is called Kor Wok Chien. And of course, the west is also called, Kor Podo Chien. Kor Podo Chien. The side where the sun sets. So Podo is set, Wok is rise. So Kor Wok Chien and Kor Podo Chien. Let's now talk about the directions. And how do we talk about directions? Wait a minute. We say there is front, there is back, and then there is left, and then there is right. So front is Nyim. Nyim, that's front. Nyim, front. Then back is tok. Back is tok. And then left is Acham. Acham, that's left. Right is Achich. Achich. Nyim, tok, Acham, Achich. So, in a sentence, nyathino nodhi e nyim gari ma ogweye. So in translation, the kid walked in front of the car, and was run over. The kid walked in front of the car and was run over. The other example is for tok. Tok would be, what example do I give? En tok ot ema kund dhok nitiere. Tok ot ema kund dhok nitiere. Now in a sentence in English, this means at the back of the house, the cow pen is at the back of the house. Is it cow pen? It's cow pen. Cow pen is at the back of the house. Then Acham. Acham is left, and in a sentence you'd say kichopo etie yien mar mawembe. Kichopo etie yien mar mawembe to ilokori e badi kor acham. Kichopo etie yien mar mawembe to ilokori e badi kor acham. That means when you reach, someone is giving direction and he says when you reach the mango tree, turn left. Kichopo etie yien mar mawembe to ilokori e badi kor acham. So acham right there, left there. Okay, so that's all about direction. Remember we talked about north, east, south and west. And north, we said north is Masawa, east is Ugwe, west is Imbo, and south is Milambo. Good. And that does it for today's lesson. Now please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to Luo English channel. Oriti. Goodbye.